If you're trying to transfer games to another Epic Games account, there's one very important thing you need to know right away. Epic Games does not allow game transfers between accounts. So if you were hoping to move your purchased games from one account to another, the short answer is you can't do that directly. In this video, I'll show you what Epic Games actually allows, what your options are, and the safest way to keep playing your games without running into account issues. If this helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, understand the main rule. Games purchased on Epic Games stay on the original account they were bought on. That means they are permanently tied to that account, and Epic does not provide a built-in transfer feature. You also can't merge two Epic Games accounts together, so there is no official way to combine libraries or move ownership from one profile to another. So what can you do instead? The first option is to log into the account where the game was originally purchased. If the game is already in that account's library, you can download it, install it, and play it from there. This is the normal and supported method. If you have access to the original account, this is the easiest solution. Just sign in to Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, and download the game from the account that owns it. Once it's installed, you can launch and play it as usual. If you're trying to use a different account, keep in mind that the game will not be transferred over. It will still belong to the original account behind the scenes. The second thing to remember is that account sharing and unofficial transfer methods are risky. If someone claims they can move your Epic Games library to another account, be very careful. That is not an official Epic feature, and it could lead to account security problems or even loss of access. The safest path is always to use the account that owns the game. If you're managing multiple Epic accounts, a good tip is to keep track of which account owns which game before buying anything new. That way, you avoid confusion later, and you won't end up looking for a transfer option that doesn't exist. If you have multiple accounts because of old purchases or different emails, it may be worth organizing your login details and recovery options so you can always access the account with your games. And just to be crystal clear, Epic Games does not support account merging either. So if your goal was to combine old games, skins, or purchases into one account, that is also not possible through official support. The content remains attached to the account where it was originally purchased or earned. So the bottom line is simple. You cannot transfer games to another Epic Games account, and you cannot merge accounts. The only supported option is to use the original account that owns the game. I know that may not be the answer you were hoping for, but it's the correct and secure one. If this video saved you time, please tap like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.